Hey gun people, working in the garage with Rick. So I needed some damn little hooks, and I got tired of using nails and other things, so I wanted to just come up with something kind of easy. I know somebody's going to be like, why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do? Because I did this. I'm just sharing it. You guys like it, you can do it, it's easy. So I went and bought this little, you can buy the Dowels at Home Depot. I think the 4-foot section, and it comes for, I want to say $1.98. And then I just cut them at little sizes. They're not perfect, I didn't measure. This isn't, I just want something to hang my stuff on. So one 4-foot dowel makes this many, however many that is. And about that varied in length. Okay, everybody will be like, damn, why couldn't you just measure and make them all? Because I didn't. I'm just doing a little project and I started doing it and I'm like, you know what? These are freaking great, they work great. I don't need them. So basically what I do is after I cut those, I just drill a little hole, take a 1/2-inch drill bit, and that's a 1/2-inch dowel, and then I round off the edges, and then I just kind of hang them on these, and I drill a hole at an angle, put a little glue in there, and stick them in there, and they make stinking great hooks. I think there's one over there. So I'm always looking for something to hang crap on. I'm like, damn it, I don't have enough hooks, and nails aren't good. So you can tell the glue's driven there. Somebody be like, dude, why couldn't you wipe off the glue? Because I didn't wipe off the glue. Quit yelling at me. All right, so first what I do is I just cut those things with a little saw. Then I come over here and I just flatten them out on both sides so they're level. And then after I do that on all of them, I roll one edge to make it a little rounded. Just kind of so I don't have a little, a little rounded tip, so it's not square and flat like that when I'm hanging stuff on it. It's a little rounded. Okay? No big deal. Then, after I do all those, I'm trying to make this video quick. What happened to Moki? He was running. Where'd you go, little Moki? Say hi to you two. Are you over there mousing? I'm gonna get you. Alright, so he's over here looking for a mouse. So then, I'm just going to put one over here because I already put, so I can put them on a shelf, so I can put them on basically any 2x4 or anything where I want to hang something. So I'm going to put one on the edge there so I can just hang some rope. So I'm going to come over here real quick. I got my 1/2-inch drill bit. Make sure it's at an angle so it points up. If you do it straight, it won't hold as well. So I just do it at an angle. And I don't go in very far. I go in about that far. How far is that? Somebody be an expert measurer. I think I'm on the camera, but I didn't spin it around so I can tell. Am I here? Yeah. So now I got a hole. Put a little wood glue. Home Depot. Already shook it up, brought it in the house. Just put some wood glue inside there. Then take my dowel that I flattened on one end. I'm going to hammer the flat end in. Wood glue's going to hold it. And I got stinking all kind of great little things that I can hang stuff on. Just for, like I want to hang the string that I take off, a place for my string to hang. I can hang that there. I can hang it there. If I want to hang that, I can hang that. Whatever. I like to be able to hang things and to have hooks handy. So, in case somebody wants to do it, it's pretty cheap. You don't have to buy hooks. You don't have to buy nails. You basically just buy one dowel for $1.98, cut it, drill a hole, and you are good to go. And that's drilling holes with Rick and Moki. Where's Moki? Hi Moki! Say hi YouTubies! He's like, Dad, turn back on the music. I had to turn the music down. He likes to jam in here with Dad. So, alright, we'll end that there.